cause a headache? I know some of you do. Now it is faster than saying CS. The very first step is you just need to Google Oracle Delivery. Once you are into the Oracle Software Delivery Cloud, you can either sign in or register. I'm gonna open, I already had it open, but if you notice, all the data that they ask you for you to register is actually personal data and it's free. I already have my account, so I'm gonna go ahead and sign in. You're gonna see this drop-down menu. Click on Download Package and type in Primavera P6. You're gonna choose the Primavera, the second option, Primavera P6 Enterprise Project Portfolio Management. It's gonna show you different versions of the software, and I'm gonna choose the latest one that was released back in January. It's gonna be in your folder queue up here, and you're gonna click Continue. Choose the platform where you want to use it. For me, it's Microsoft Windows. They're going to ask you to please agree to the terms and conditions. You say yes. They will ask for you to provide feedback. This is an optional choice. I'm going to say no. Notice all these files, zip files here. You don't need all of them to install the software. So on click, like this, select all of them, and only click the Primavera P6 Professional for EPPM. Hit download. Go to your downloads folder and click on the executable file. Click Next. You're gonna see the zip folder downloading through the Oracle Download Manager. This should take just a little bit. If you notice, this is the same folder that we clicked when we were checking out on the software cloud from Oracle. Once completed, we go back to our downloads folder and unzip the folder. We click on it and double click on Setup, which is the executable file to install the software. Hit Typical and Install. Click Run Database Configuration, and then under P6 Professional Driver Type, click the QS Lite option, the last one. In here, you're going to choose the second choice, which is Add a new standalone database and connection. Click Next. Now you're going to do your database configuration, put your login name, personal name, enter your new password, confirm the password, and once it says connection successful, click Finish. Now go to your Windows search and try to look for Primavera. You're gonna find that the PC Professional is correctly installed. Right after you open it, it's gonna ask you for the login name and password that you just set up. And you click Connect. Now we have successfully installed P6. Click OK if it gives you that notice window, and there you go. Hope you liked the tutorial. It's just very simple, straightforward way to download and install P6 for free. Remember to comment down below interested in a freelancing career, please check out contractscheduler.com.